Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. I hope you all are well, and Alhamdulillah I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So after some days I am again back with another tasty recipe which is vegetable cutlet. I hope you all will enjoy, so stay connected with me till the end. So here I am mixing all these vegetable, and I also added some peas, so you can add any kind of vegetables you like. It's now time to add spices, so I will put half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, pinch of turmeric, and half teaspoon of little bit more red chili powder. I added some breadcrumbs to make this bindings consistency. Now in this position you have to add 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and also I added some water, and you have to mix it until it's fully dissolved. So here I have added some vegetable cutlets, and I made circle shapes, so you can make any kind of shape. So until it's dark brown you have to fry, so it will take almost 5 to 6 minutes, then you can take it out from this hot oil.